previous trip is from Hallstatt, and now we towards Heiligenblut, passing Großglockner Road. Or Glockner alone, is the highest mountain in Austria, with a height of 3,798 meters. It is also the highest mountain in the Alps region east of the Brenner line. This mountain is part of the Glockner group in the Hohe Tauern mountains. Austria's largest glacier, Pasters, lies on the eastern slope of Großglockner. Heiligenblut is located in the valley of the Hohe Tauern mountains and is at the foot of the Großglockner, Austria's highest peak. Heiligenblut is a municipal town located in the district of Spittal and Erdre in the state of Kärnten, Austria. Heiligenblut is located at the northwestern tip of the state of Kärnten and borders the East Tyrol region and the states of Salzburg. Heiligenblut, when interpreted as Holy Blood. History says that the chapel in this city holds the blood of Christ heritage from 1271. According to legend, a vial containing the blood of Christ was brought to this place in 914 AD from the Hagia Sophia in Constantinople by a Danish knight named Bricius, who previously served for Emperor Constantine VII. The next day, weather is good. We will continue our journey to Ljubljana, the big city in the country of Slovenia.